Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where you can add your address on Etsy. But first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the Etsy. After that click on the U icon, which is at the bottom of the screen, and then click on the settings, and you can see the manage addresses option, and you can add a new address by clicking that icon. And you have to select your country. You have to give your full name, street address, APT, suite, other, zip code, city, and state. And after that you have to click on the save, and then you are all set. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.